what you tell your friends about. I'm the crazy ex-girl you pretend you don't know, 'cause you know I could ruin your life. Rumor has it you have someone new. She'll regret you like a bad tattoo.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony if you are new here. In today's video, I am bringing you guys a laundry motivation video. So if you are needing some inspiration or motivation to get some laundry done today, or just to simply tackle your to-do list, this is the video for you, and I'm excited to take you guys along.
Maybe you're not man enough, 'cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much for you. Maybe you're not man enough.
So we are tackling Eleni's clothes today along with our clothes as well. So it's going to be a huge laundry motivation video, because whenever we do wash Eleni's clothes, it's about 3 to 4 weeks worth of clothes. So it honestly takes me quite a while to get them all washed. We had already had one load of colored clothes done before Eleni's clothes. So I'm going to go ahead and fold that load of clothes, and then we'll start on her clothes after that.
Spill the truth, 'cause you'll never change, you'll always stay the same. Go on and tell all your friends all about me. I don't give up, nothing sticks to me, baby. Yes, hon, I'm Teflon, I don't give it up, so go ahead and tell them I'm a little bit too much for you. Maybe you're not man enough, 'cause I speak my mind.
I want to thank you guys for all the love and support on the last few cleaning videos. They have definitely got quite a few more views than I normally get. So I just want to say a thank you for all of your support. And if you are new here, thank you guys for sticking along. And I hope that you'll go ahead and subscribe to my channel here if you are needing any type of motivation to get something done, such as cleaning, organizing, decluttering, laundry motivation, anything along those lines. If you are needing that, you are definitely in the right place. And once again, I'm excited for you to be here.
I know the next morning when the sun goes.
So I'm going to go ahead and put these few pieces of clothing up. I always try to, after I tackle a load, to go ahead and put those clothes up and then go on to the next load. I try my best not to let it pile up. Sometimes with Eleni's, I sort of do that just because I'm trying to procrastinate on getting her clothes folded and put up. But for the most part, I do, do it one load at a time.
Let it go. If I could, I would turn back time. If I could, I would take it all back. If I could, I would bring back all the memories, not yours, only in my dreams. Oh, if I could.
So I had already took one small load of hers, which will technically be the first load. I went ahead and put that in her room. I actually took it out the night before and hadn't had a chance to fold it. So I'm going to show you guys that a little bit later. But I'm going to go ahead and wait for this load to finish that I just placed in the dryer before I start folding her clothes.
While I shiver inside with a heavy heart, I know what I've done, and time is running out for me. If I could, I would turn back time. If I could, I would take it all back. If I could, I would bring back all the memories, not yours, only in my dreams. Oh, if I could, I would turn back time.
Just in case you're new here, I always like to just talk a little bit about my laundry routine. I know sometimes a laundry is sort of like a hit or miss. Either you love it or you hate it. I'm honestly not the biggest fan of it. I do like the feeling of when all laundry is tackled though, so I'm okay to, of course, get it done. So one thing I always say, like, I personally prefer to get all of the laundry done in one day. Sometimes it'll go over in the next day. So like for example, in this video, I started the day before in the evening, which took maybe 30 minutes to an hour of my time, and then going into the next day. I know some people prefer to wash maybe every other day. Some people prefer to wash every day. For me, I like the satisfaction of getting it done and not really thinking about it for at least several days. So that is the main reason why I try to do it maybe once a week. That just sort of gives me time to just hype myself back up to get it done all over again.
'Cause I got the system of favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us.
Once school ends for Eleni, it will definitely help me out a ton with her clothes, just because she does have uniforms. So with the uniforms, she'll wear, like, of course, during school day, and then after school she'll want to change her clothes, which is very understandable. But that just accumulates super fast whenever, you know, they're changing out of 2 or 3 outfits, because some days she has gymnastics and dance as well. So I'm hoping that once summer hits and getting away from the uniform for just a couple months will definitely help with laundry and hopefully be half this size.
You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love.
And normally, whenever it's such a huge load, I don't mind tackling small loads by myself, but especially when it's a big load, I do ask for help. So another thing I just want to say, it is definitely okay to ask for help. I know a lot of stay-at-home moms and stuff like that, you might not be able to ask for help you know, throughout the day like this, but just be okay with asking for help, especially if you have it. Don't feel like you have to do everything yourself. So I just wanted to throw that in there as well.
My list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love.
So we finally see the light at the end of the tunnel when it comes to this load of laundry. So we're going to go ahead and put all of these items up. And then I do have another small load in her room as well. That was from the night before. So we're going to go ahead and get all of that done and then move on to the next load.
If you say that you don't want to get close to me, close to what we used to be, but I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me?
One thing that I need to get done is taking all of her winter clothes out, but North Carolina this spring, I don't know what it's giving us, but for me, it's not really giving us spring. So we are still getting down, like, I think in the low 40s. And I'm just not ready to take out her winter clothes because honestly, a few weeks ago, I decluttered my closet. And so it's been pretty hard finding something to wear just because I took all of my winter clothes out of my closet. So I'm not going to do it to her clothes until I know that spring is here and summer is on its way. So right now, I'm going to just leave all of her winter clothes in the drawers and in the closet just up until the weather, you know, makes up its mind.
Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in a trash now.
So as far as Eleni's organization within this dresser drawer, so in the top two drawers, we have like her underwear and her tank tops. And then in the second one, we have all of her pajamas. The third one, we have all of her shirts. The fourth one, we have all of our pants. And those can go for shorts, sweatpants, and jeans. And then in the last drawer, we have like all of her sets. Because I've noticed that if I hang up her sets in the closet, she won't grab them to wear them. So I started putting most of her sets and some skirts in the bottom drawer. I noticed that especially for Eleni is that she doesn't really go to the closet unless she knows to grab a coat, but for everything else, for me to make sure she's wearing all of her clothes, I have to make sure they're placed in the drawer just because it's a little bit more easier access for her.
I can't believe it's already over. Too late to talk and fix whatever's broken. I always thought love like ours would last. I never knew love could pass. Tomorrow comes and you are not around. Feels uneasy. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily.
So we're going to tackle this last load of Eleni's here in her room, and then I'm going to do like a quick transition. So honestly, the battery went dead and I didn't change it out because I was just sort of on a roll with folding these clothes, and honestly I was just tired of folding all of her clothes, to be honest. So I just went ahead and did a smooth transition. You'll see it in a second, but I'm going to give you guys a little bit more folding motivation, and then we're going to move on to switching over the laundry.
Couple hours from Japan, would you stay awake? I'm losing touch of who I am when you're far away. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close.
So now we are tackling myself and Elise clothes. So that was just one load of colored clothes, and then my white clothes are now being placed in the dryer, and then the last load that we're going to tackle is towels. So we are on to our clothes now.
That I want you close. Closer than before. I know that we've been through a lot. Now we're hiding in the crowd. I'll be whatever you want me to be. You know I'm on your side. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. Acting strange for a while, but I want you close. Closer than before, and no one knows that just need you to know that I want you close. Ooh, ooh, closer than before. Closer than before. Closer than before. Hiding all my feelings, broken from the start.
So I'm going to go ahead and put these clothes up, and then the white clothes are now finished, so we're going to go ahead and put those up as well. I want to know in the comments below, do you separate your clothes? Do you wash them all together? Sometimes I do wash like the colored and the towels together. Definitely depends on how big the load is. So if it's like a really small load of like colored clothes and towels, I'll put them together. But for the most part, I do separate them because I try to wait until the loads are pretty big to wash them. But just let me know your routine in the comments below.
Now I say your name without the pain behind it. I'm moved on now, I'm not trying to impress you anymore. Spending all this time trying to...
So I just want to let you guys know the next few videos will be clean with me videos, and then hopefully I will be able to update you on the dining room table within those videos. I really don't do makeover videos just because they don't get I don't know, the YouTube algorithm is not fond of like makeover videos when it comes to my videos. For some reason the cleaning videos get pushed out a lot more, so I'm just sticking with those type of videos. But if you are liking these updates, let me know in the comments below if you like me updating you guys on things that I'm purchasing and, you know, things that are going on within the house.
How much you're messing with my feelings and my heart. Yeah. I'm going back to the table. I know they saving us for the stable friend of mine, 'cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings and my heart. Yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings and my heart. Yeah. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. No, you don't care.
I hope this video inspired you to get something done today. Thanks again for watching this laundry motivation type video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again.